Hello everyone, my name is Faria Sultana. This is the demo for P3. So I have already started my server, and here is from the admin page. I have 3 books inserted already here, and here in the file system it shows 3 entries. In the database it shows 3 entries, 1, 2, 3. So if I go here from my admin page, I can insert another book. Choose a file, insert. It shows here, and if I go to my storefront page, here also it shows 4 different books. If I go to the file system, it shows 4 entries. This is the last book I added. And if I refresh my database, it also shows 4 entries. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can insert another book from my admin page. Call it 5. Again, here it shows 5 books. Go to the front page. Five books. File system has 5 entries. This is the last book I added. Database has 5 entries now as well. So if I go back here and go back to the front page, admin page, and try to edit one book. Let's say I want to edit the last one that I added. Change the name to 6. Author, make it author 6. Price, make it $60. And choose a different file. Picture, edit. It gets edited. This is the last book I changed to 6. If I go to storefront, it also shows the change right here. Database, changed it to 6 author, and then I can show you here the last entry I changed, so it got changed over here as well. Now if I go to my admin page again and try to delete that book, or maybe a different book, the first one, if I want to delete, it gets deleted from here. If I go to the storefront, see 4 entries, first book is gone. Then if I go to file system, it has 4 books now, and first one being this one instead of the network book. If I go to my database, it also shows 1, 2, 3, 4 entries, not 5. So now from this page, from storefront, if I want to add to cart, continue shopping, add one more of that, continue shopping, continue shopping, and then checkout. This is where it comes to. So thank you. That was my demo for P3.